Today we would be learning how to make money online. Let's start. Although the act of blogging is frequently free, this does not rule out the possibility of using it as a platform for earning money online. By combining affiliate sales, ad networks, and paid reviews, many people are earning over $5,000 per month just blogging. To see all of the blogger income reports I've gathered, scroll down to the last chapter of this post. Every day, thousands of blogs are launched, with the majority of them dying out after a few months or years. Aside from making money, I believe that starting a blog with a purpose or passion is the best way to go. This will aid your long-term success, as it is common to go months without earning anything from blogging. Here are a few of the best blogging platforms to get you started. How to start a blog, a post I wrote that will have you up and running in no time. LiveJournal, a service that includes privacy controls, photo storage, publishing tools, style templates, and online communities for a variety of interests in addition to journals and blogs. Tumblr, post whatever you want, from anywhere, customize everything, and find and follow what you care about. WordPress.com. WordPress.com hosts free blogs run by the WordPress software's creators. Custom design templates, integrated statistics, and automatic spam protection are all included. YourDomain.wordpress.com will be your domain name. It's not the same as WordPress.org. WordPress.org, a web software that allows you to create a beautiful website or blog with your own domain name and fully customized WordPress themes. ******. In addition, if you want to start a blog, you will require hosting *****. For my blogs, I use a few different hosts. I can't say they're the best hosting company out there. Thousands of hosts are available. I can say that they work, that they are dependable, that the sites load quickly, and that the support is adequate. There may be better options available, but these are more than adequate.